Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Rev app subtitles and audio not working. So let's get started. So it is very easy to fix. So first of all, just press into the app, then you have to go to the I button. It will open the app info section of that app. So at here you have to go, click on here at the storage section at the last. Then here you have to click on clear data, just clear the data. Then you have to open the app again and log into the app. Okay, so if it's work then fine. If it does not work, just go to the Google search bar and search for the Rev app. Just click on here, download the latest version of this app and it will work. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.